अस्सलामु अलैकुम।
वालेकुमुस्सलाम।
कैफ हालुकुम?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Who is our prophet?
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Very good. What is the name of our prophet's father?
Abdullah.
What is the name of our prophet's mother?
Amina.
Where was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born?
Makkah.
Where did pass away Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Medina.
Very good, mashallah. Who was the feeding mother of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Khadija.
Feeding mother. Halima, very good. Who was the first wife of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Khadija.
Very good. Which holy book did Allah give to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Quran.
Very good. How many surahs are in Quran?
140.
Mashallah. Which is the first surah?
Fatiha.
Which is the last surah?
Nas.
Which is the biggest surah?
Baqarah.
Biggest.
Baqarah.
Very good. Which is the smallest surah?
Kautsar.
Who is the captain of the angel?
Jibril alayhi salam.
How many children did prophets have?
7.
Very good. How many sons did he have?
3.
Who were they?
Qasim, Abdullah, Ibrahim.
Very good. How many daughters did he have?
4.
Who were they?
Zainab, Ruqayyah, Fatima, Kulthum.
Very good. Mashallah. In which cave was the prophet sitting when the Quran was revealed? Which cave?
Hira.
Very good. What should we say when we hear prophet's name? Prophet's name കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് പറയണം?
Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
Very good, mashallah, nice performance. Come.